Recycle, 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 Mother Nature needs the rest. Show a bit of chest. Hello and welcome. I have a new guest today and he's called, what are you called again?
Emo Harris.
Emo Harris, and he's quite a strange lad. He wears lots of black and his hair's black and he's black. Corn! Here's all the corn! And you know when you have a shit and corn comes out your poo? Well, this is because of this lovely stuff called corn! No?
And I cut myself with razor blades.
You recycle those razor blades after you use them though, don't you?
No.
What? You don't?
No.
You must do. Don't you think of nature?
Nature just causes me pain.
Corn! Nettles! Corn! Nettles! What do you think of nature then?
Nothing.
Has she created you?
No.
Yes. She can sort it all.
Shut up! You don't understand me! My parents don't understand me! No one understands me!
I do. Okay, I don't. Hello! Yeah, this is a tree, and it's beautiful and big, but you must look after it, because it's dying, it hasn't done anything wrong! It's just there, being beautiful and big! And you must look after it, because it's dying, the trees are dying! But you shouldn't be so angry at the world, because the world does more for you than you do for it. Because you don't do all for it, do you?
No, but it's just so painful.
Well, so what do you do to take your pain out of the world?
I do screaming. I have a band.
You have a band? The trees are dying! Do you sing and
I'm
you know
a
what you
singer.
sing?
I scream.
How do you scream? Show how you scream?
Yeah! Like that.
That's very nice.
You should give it a go.
Huh?
Go on, do it.
Honestly, I can't. You make me blush.
Go on.
Yeah, no.
Go on.
Okay. Rah!
No,
Is that it? No?
No, I'm not feeling it.
Rah!
Come on, put some effort into it.
But that's... upon the darkness of the nettles. She lurks somewhere in the hedge. And she is an enemy of Mother Nature. She's called Dirty Evil Daddy Nature. Yes. Yes. Is that okay, Emo Harris? Okay?
Wow, that was amazing.
Ooh.
How did you do that?
Well, I learnt the ways of the samurai when I was a young naturist.
Samurai?
Yeah.
Oh.
Samurai.
Would you teach me?
Oh, but it takes a long time, you know. And a man such a strength needs his power beyond all belief.
Oh.
Thy must do things more powerful than thy nose inside the heart.
Mary, teach me!
Get your hands off me, I'm a samurai. It's not good to touch.
I'm sorry. Please teach me, Mary. I'm begging you.
Okay. Wow, we must start with the belly push-up. Breathe in. Breathe in.
wasn't really very mystical.
Hold it! Ready, go!
Yeah?
Well, you gotta walk it. And if you fall off, those sharks down there will eat you.
But there is no sharks.
How the hell did you do that? Look proud, Emo Harris. You've done the course, and this course takes a man. A real man. No one else could do it. But you've done well, haven't you, Emo Harris? Or shall I say, samurai of nature?
What did I learn?
Well, what did you learn? Tell everyone else.
Well, I walked across a board, jumped off a step, ran through nettles.
That's not any old board. That's a board of doom. It actually possesses an evil spirit that tends to stop people walking across it.
Bullshit. Look, Mary, this course was shit. I learned nothing from this shit, and I'll just tell you one thing I've learned from this, that I'm not gonna recycle at all, and I'm just gonna smoke until the ozone layer's gone, and you don't understand me!